Hello everybody, it's Gary the Bearded Woodworker. Thank you for joining me today. This year, the three bearded amigos, myself, Andrew the Bearded Giant, and Jason from Northwest Sawyer, decided to do a Santa gift exchange. And we're going to take this opportunity to make something for each other guys. So I'll be making something for Andrew and Jason. Jason will be making something for Andrew and myself. And Andrew will be making something for myself and Jason as well. So stick around and I'm going to show you how I made a marking knife for those two guys. And at the end of the video, I'll have links to their channels so you can watch what they made me. And on Christmas Day, we'll have the video of us unboxing what we made each other. So stick around. Now, the scariest tool I own, angle grinder with a metal cutoff wheel. I don't know how many times these things have broken and flown everywhere, but more than once. Wish me luck.
One more to go. I couldn't find any brass rods or anything here at the coast. I'm going to use a doornail. It looks like it's brass, but I know it's not going to be. So,
since I made Jason's out of Purple Heart, I'm going to give the Bearded Giant some walnut. But I'm going to cut as much away as I can.
whoo, look at that ugly cut. It's all right. I'll put them together this way. Ah. I cracked it, but that's okay. I'm sanding it down. All right. Now we let it dry.
It has been a few days, and the epoxy has had time to dry and cure. More than 5 minutes. Looks like some of the epoxy got stuck on the clamps. Okay. It was really rough. I know. And there's some holes in it that I might be sanding out. We'll see. But I'm going to cut off these pins and get it down closer to the wood before I sand it.
mean, there's plenty on this. I don't need to, I guess, stir this up, but. So this one is for Jason, Northwest Sawyer. I know you haven't seen me really work on this one because I needed to get this one done and out in the mail. But I thought I would show you guys what he's getting. And I just made a mess here. And there's Andrew's Bearded Giants.
So that's going to be it for this build. I already had Jason's packaged and shipped off because he was leaving to go somewhere else for Christmas, and I had a deadline for that. Andrew is going to be home, so I am going to wrap this up and get that in the mail today, so he should be receiving it in a couple of days. And if you want to see what they made me and how they reacted to what I made them, make sure to come back on Christmas Day and hit that notification bell and subscribe so you'll get notifications when that video comes out on Christmas Day. And don't forget, down below in the description is the link to the Bearded Giant and to Northwest Sawyer to see their build videos and to get their unboxing videos of my gift. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys again real soon. Hope you guys like your knife, Andrew, Jason. This was fun.